Happy Thursday guys, and welcome to your Thursday motivation. Today's message is all about why are they succeeding quicker than I am? And that's a question that a lot of us ask ourselves, and I think in a social age and a digital age it is so easy to compare yourself to everybody else's success. All you've got to do is scroll through your Instagram feed and see people living their best lives, going away on holiday, buying really nice clothes, sharing their love or joy of finding a new partner or boyfriend or husband, you know, having babies, you know, it just feels like everybody else is moving on, right? And that's hard to watch. It's very hard to watch somebody else succeed when you feel like you're not in the position in life that you want to be in. And if you have time to do that, I'm afraid you are absolutely going the wrong way about it. If you are questioning why other people are succeeding before you, one, why do you know that they're succeeding before you? Why are you not enveloped in your own progression and development, goals and work? Like, if you really were immersing yourself in making your dreams a reality, you wouldn't have the time to be checking up on what everyone else is doing. Am I right? I think we are a nation of people who love to live vicariously through other people and watch what other people are doing. But ultimately, you're running your own race. Your timeline is your own. The purpose that you were put on this earth for is completely different, and therefore the journey that you travel and the destination that you're going to get to is completely different to X, Y, and Z on your Instagram feed. It doesn't even come up in chronological order, so to be honest, why would you even be bothered about something that might not be happening right now? So my message to you is everybody is succeeding or seems to be succeeding faster than you because you have too much time to be watching what they're doing. So it's a very harsh message today, and I urge you to forget what everybody else is doing and bury yourself in what you're supposed to be doing. Happy Thursday, it's nearly the weekend. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you're subscribed and click the link in the description box below if you want to come and follow me over on my social media channels. Though you shouldn't have time to watch what I'm doing because you should be very busy doing what you're doing. Share this video with your friends and family on your Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Motivate everybody. Let's all just get buried in our own success. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in tomorrow's motivational message.